So, hi. So my name is Mei Liu, and my student number is 101014282, and here shows my student email and my GitHub URL. So now let's go to the GitHub. So I have two branches in my Git repository. One is master, and another one is assignment submit. So there is almost nothing in master. I put alt commit in assignment submit. So let's go into the assignment submit. So here shows my commit history. I'm very sorry, I don't know, I need to set the commit message to like test commit or code commit this type. So in order to fix that, I add a comment at the very end in each commit, like this, this, this. Okay, so I have invite professor and 2 TA into my private repository. Okay, so now let's comp the repository right here, and okay, so git so let's go into E and see there is a folder Yahtzee demo. I will clone the repository into this folder. cd Yahtzee demo. So I will show you. Come on. So Yahtzee demo has a file here. I will delete it and go to recycle bin. Okay. Empty recycle bin. So now let's see, there is nothing in Yahtzee demo, right? So open git bash again, cd I will still use Yahtzee demo, cd Yahtzee demo. So now you see that this folder is empty. So git clone, nope, paste. So I just copy this. Paste. Okay, right now I have this. So what do we have in this folder right now? Yahtzee comp4004, right? So go into Yahtzee comp4004. So now we are in branch master, git switch. So let us switch the branches. So now you can see we are in branch. We are in branch assignment submit, right? Okay, so let us open Eclipse. Launch. It's a little bit slow. Okay, open project from. So here you see new volume E, Yahtzee demo, Yahtzee comp4, and here we are also in E, Yahtzee demo. It's the same folder. So go into Yahtzee demo, select folder. Okay. So now we import the Yahtzee again. So first I will run these two tests. See, it's green bar in player test. For game test, run. Run 11, you see it's all green. So for here, I will mention upper bonus and addition Yahtzee. So in game side, upper bonus, so if I set player upper score is 63, so when the game called upper bonus and here, no, the game called upper bonus, it will check get upper score. If upper score is equal or higher than 63 and player has no bonus right now, it will return 35. So here player set upper score 63 and call this function return 35, and here shows it's right. And run player test again to show. So for here also upper bonus, so to score 5, 6, 4, 3 categories, and you can see 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 4, and 1, 1. Add up this number, it will get 63. And because when I call handle score, and like here when I call for example, when I call handle score here, it will go to score the category. So for each score category, like for upper section, so each time this one chord, it will check to have upper bonus or not. So if upper score is under 63, this one will return 0. Otherwise, if it's equal to or higher than 63, it will return 35, and this number will set into current score. And set to bonus in player. So here you see after this test, player get bonus returns to 35. It's good. And now I'm talking about addition Yahtzee. So for here, first test case is like we have first Yahtzee here, and and then first Yahtzee is 2222, and then we get a second Yahtzee result dice. Handle action. So now we want to score. So if we choose we want to score, and we receive a second Yahtzee dice result if the upper section for, in this example, like upper section once category 1 is not filled, it will automatically set into category 1. Like here, after this, we from player we could get once, it return 5, and get addition Yahtzee, it return 100. In another case is we assign a non-Yahtzee dice value into Yahtzee. Here is 1, so test 1 is 12111. It's not a Yahtzee dice result. And then now we have test 2, a Yahtzee dice result. Since when we saw Yahtzee, the score is 0, it's not first Yahtzee, so when we next time if we get a Yahtzee result dice, it will not seen as a second Yahtzee, addition Yahtzee. So here, after calling this, like in this example, I wanna here. In this example, I wanna score a in free kind. Player get Yahtzee is not equal to 50, so it will just go here, and it will not cut set addition Yahtzee. So in here, player get addition Yahtzee will return 0. And another test for addition Yahtzee, for example, for small straight, we have first Yahtzee here, and we want to score it in first Yahtzee. This is a Yahtzee dice result. So first we have first Yahtzee here, and then we get a second Yahtzee dice result. We want to score it in small straight, right? So 8 small straight. So now player gets small straight score. It will return 30. Blue here, and is almost the same with large straight and full house. And so I state addition Yahtzee and upper bonus because it's really hard to game this result in game. So in order to prove I implement this feature, I can just do it in test case. So right now, let's run again. So here, export draft file. So because I just need to run the game, so I will just export this part, this 5 as draft file, and I will do this export generated class files and resources. And the jar file, I will name it Yahtzee jar, and this will save in Yahtzee demo. See, there is no Yahtzee job right now, and click finish. So there is a warning here, but never mind, because in my server, okay, because in my server there is a warning here to show there is a variable I don't use, but actually I use it here. Where? Yeah, actually I use it here. So after export, you see there is a Yahtzee jar file. So let's open for command line. So I will go to Yahtzee demo folder first. cd Yahtzee demo. So look at that. I have these two files here. cd make it bigger. Make it smaller. Okay, so cd demo. E So let's copy this line. Yahtzee game engine has started, waiting for player to join, and copy this line here. Welcome player 1. Welcome player 2. Welcome player 3. And set a name. Joey has entered the lobby. Sam has entered the lobby. And this time when we have two players, set their name, and it will show the message, wait for player 1, because player 1 still not set the name, right? Okay, so Moe. So my game is always start from player 1. So what? Okay, ready. And to roll the dice. So for this one, I want to show I can reroll and rerolls. So implement the first feature, select dice to hold, and then reroll the other dice. So I will select 2, 4, 5 to hold, and then you see reroll the other three dice. So for here, I wanna show that I can just reroll one times and then score this round. And this dice value can be scored into full house. So also I can prove that full house can correctly scored. So score this round. Full house is 9. So here we show player 1 has completed their turn. So this is player 2. What action would you like to perform next? So here we have 4, 5, 6. So 1. I want to keep 4. 1, 2, 3. So here I can show like I can do 2 reroll here. So reroll again. I still wanna keep 1, 2, 3. And here you see after 2 reroll, it will promote player to score category this turn. They cannot reroll again anymore. So for here I will score 5. No, I will score 1. So here, so for this one, I want to prove that users do not need to reroll and they can score this round. So score this round, and I will score these to 3 kind to show that 3 kind can be correctly scored. 10. So round 1. And so for this player, he scored round 1, so it's 2, 3, 3, 6, 3. For 3 kai, it will get 17. It's right. Moe, it has full house here, score 25 here, full house. And for Sam, score 1 here, and then back to player 1. So this time I want to show that I can reroll all the dice. You see the result is different right now. So for here I will prove that the small straight can be correctly resolved. 3, score this round. 3, 4, 5, 6 is small straight. 8. So here, I wanna prove, no, skip this one. So here I wanna prove that if it's not 4 kind and I score this into 4 kind, it will return the 4 kind. The 4 kinds will score as 0. So score this round 4 kind. Joey, to keep, I want to reroll all the dice. Select 1, 2, 3, 5. You see, right here. So I wanna score it in. So let's score this in 5 to show that 5 will score 0 if there is no 5. See, score 0. So 4 kind 0. So this one, score whatever. Because all of these functions are work similar, so they score similar, so I prove that they work the same, they work similar. So never mind. So what category I want to score? So I will just score it in 2. Roll dice. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So I will try large straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now score large straight. This is same, right? Large straight. 7. And for this player, I want to score it in chance to show whatever dice result you score in chance, you just add the dice result chance. You see chance is 13, and Sam get a large straight here, right? Okay, so for this player, I want to try to score Yahtzee. So this is not a Yahtzee result, but I just want to score it in Yahtzee, so Yahtzee will return a 0. So now I will try bonus here. Like I show 4 kind, 3 kind, full house, large straight, a small straight, large straight here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they work the same. So I want to show an Yahtzee chance here. So now I want to show if it's possible to show the bonus. Okay, so movie. See that dice 2, 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I will score to 4. So here I will show invalid input. If here player do the invalid input like 4, it will show please choose again and prompt to use input. So here, whatever, I just wanna 1, 2, 3, 4, so score. So it's more straight. So now here is a free kind. It's like it can score every kind. So I will try here. Because free kind it has been scored now, so I will show it cannot be second category here. Free scored is wrong. 10 free kind. Now you see because free kind has been scored, so when you input free kind's number, it will prompt user to choose category again. So now it's also a full house, so full house. So select 1, 4. I want to keep 5. 1. So here I want to show that full house can be scored 0. So scored is wrong, full house. So here I want to show that free kinds can be scored in 0. This is not a free kind result. Oh, I'm Joey, I have free kind right now. Okay, so whatever. So let me just show that large straight or small straight can be scored in 0. So you see 0 here, full house 0 here. Okay, so here I will score it in chance in order I can still get upper bonus. So here I wanna show that large straight can be he has large straight. So here I wanna show that free kind can be scored 0 if the dice result is not for free kind. So score this round 10. So for this one, I want to show that 4 kind can be scored 0. Oh no, large straight can be scored 0. So 7. So I want to 7. You see, large straight 0, free kind 0, 4 kind 0. It's good. score this round. So 3, 5. So select 3, 4, 5. So in here, whatever, just 6. So for this guy's score, we have, okay, so select dice to hold 3. Nope. So what category I wanna here, 10, 38, 43, 49. Okay, it is impossible to get. It is impossible to get a upper bonus. Alright. So whatever. So select. So whatever, reroll. Reroll. So I want to score 3. Still have possible to have it. So okay. So I will score it at 3 times in order I can get upper bonus. So I have 3 here, you see. So I can score here. So okay, I will score 5. Let's see. So you see, I earn an upper bonus here. So whatever, I just wanna, and again, chance. So now you can see here Moe. So her upper score is 30, 45, 45, 55, 55, 61 plus 2, 63. So Moe earned bonus here 35. And see what was Moe's score last turn is 126. 126 plus 12 is 138 plus 35. Nope. 126. 138 plus 35 is 173. It's right. Okay, so here. Let's end this game. So okay, whatever. So 7. I was good in large straight. 10. What else I have? 2. Okay, I will score 2 here. I'm trying to score 4 kind, so let's do it. Nope, but I will score it in Yahtzee. So here, one. So here, so the last Yahtzee here. Reroll 1, 3, 4. So let's try, because now we only have Yahtzee no score. Let's try it. We want to try to score the other category. Let's test second category again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you see this not work, right? So I can just because since the board showed that Yahtzee is no score, I can just put it in Yahtzee. So trying to get 4 kind. I'm not sure I can do it or not. Nope. So, okay. So here, after all again, we have 176 with a bonus. So every player received a message that Moi wants the game, and with a score 176, and the game end, game complete without any error. And because in this game we don't see that if we get a dice result, a 4 kind dice result, I will show it in the player test here. And game test. Run the test again. So correct 4 kind right here. So if I input an array is 4 kind. If I input a array like this, 4, 1, and 2, and then put in check for kind, it will return 6. And if I put it 5, 1 in here, it will return 5. But if I put in not 4 kind, that is result in this function check for kind, it will return 0. And in player test, run it again, 18. Four kind. Four kind is here. Like you see, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4, 1, and will return 6. So thank you for watching the demo, and here is my student name, student number, and here you see the grid. So I have 29 tests. Here I show all these pictures, and the interface is closely follow the required textual interface. All the tests I run do pass all green, right? And my video shows a complete game for 3 players. Use localhost. Here I use localhost. So my video demonstrates the networking. So in order to prove that, I will show my server code here. Server socket, client socket, client socket, client socket accept. And here is a multi-thread class, client handler, socket here. And in my player classes, I have an inner client class in the player. Here, socket, new socket. So, and there is a variable client in player. So when I run player here. You go to the start method start. So here start. The first function is connect to server. Here connect to server, and this function will declare a new client. Here initialize it, and it will call here socket, new socket. So it proves my game is networking correctly work. So I show that it's downloading from Git, right? So it's done. Thank you for watching the demo.